What is going on, guys? So today we are going to be talking about a new accessory from Lab401. This is the Light Messenger. It's a POV accessory for the Flipper Zero. POV is persistence of vision. It allows us to paint text and images in the air, similar to like what we see in those fans that spin with the RGB lights that will display like an image or a text. Okay, so this is kind of the same concept. We have a full-featured bitmap editor, so we can create those images and stuff without having to have a computer. We have a text editor, a light and animation controls, and even light flashlight function. So I can't tell you how many times that the flashlight has come in handy, especially when we're working in the dark. Okay. The Light Messenger can also be used for light painting. So if you change settings on your camera, you can do light paint with your Light Messenger, and it would come out, with some beautiful streams of color and things like that. So I definitely gonna try that when I do my review. Okay, but this is open source, so you can basically build on top of this. And it has 16 fully addressable RGB LEDs, an accelerometer, and a complete app. So you can do, your own projects and stuff like that with this open source. But anyways, let's go ahead and open up the box and see what you get inside. So kind of cheated, and I already opened up the box, obviously, and because I was messing around with it. But anyways, here you will get some stickers. Really cool. And then this is the board itself. It's a beautiful board. So let's go ahead and close this box. Put that over here. Okay. So we've got Light Messenger. The silk screen is amazing. Okay. So we've got like this town here. All right. And you've got the eyes that are kind of like the alien beams that shine down on people and objects and things like that, which are pretty cool. We've got some branding here on the left side. On the right bottom side, we have the accelerometer. Okay. And then on the top here, we have the 16 RGB LEDs. All right, pretty cool. PCB is very thin as well. And then on the back, we have some more silk screen. Really cool. Crypt code hash. So all that kind of stuff there. All right, so let's go ahead and pop this onto the Flipper Zero, and we can go over the app and everything that it offers. Okay, so I'm on Momentum, so currently I had to install this. You may not have to. I remember a while back that some firmwares actually had this installed if you chose to install everything. So I did not, so I just installed it. All right, so in the app, okay, we are welcomed by this splash screen. Okay, this is the Lab401 Light Messenger. All right, this is their splash screen. And then we have text, bitmap, bitmap editor, configuration, flashlight, about, and splash. Okay, so text is essentially what you would think it is. You write a word or a little phrase and then hit save, and then you would swipe back and forth and it would show that word or sentence. Okay. Bitmap is the little digital images that you can create. There are a ton of them already made for you, so you can just go into certain ones like Aliens 2. There's Batman on here as well. My son loves that. All right, and then you can swipe back and forth. Oh, there's Pac-Man as well, so there's a bunch of different Pac-Man animations too. There's Bitmap Editor, so that is going to be where you can just create, and I'm just going to do a test here so you can see. This is where you create your own little digital pixel design, right? So you would just go down, left, right, up, and hit the select button for the little pixels that you want to display. I don't know what I'm drawing here, but this is essentially what you would do. Okay, not sure what that is, but anyways, that's what it would do. That's how you would create your own image. All right, and then you can open it up. Here, there's our testing one, right? And then that's going to be the editors. That's what bitmap editor is. Allows you to create your own designs. Configuration. Okay, so orientation would be the wheel up or wheel down. Okay, so wheel up would be as if your flipper was in this orientation, right, where the D-pad is on the top, right, and then the wheel down would be if it's down at the bottom below the screen, right. Sensitivity, that is going to be how sensitive the LEDs are going to be when you are moving back and forth when you're swiping. Color, you can choose your different colors. So like that's purple, right? That, I don't even know what color that is. This is, yeah, I'm not sure what color that is. This is blue, cyan, green, yellow. Okay, so we'll leave it at purple. That's pretty cool. Mirror, I believe this is where you can write text backwards, or if you're doing it in a mirror, you know, you can turn this on and you can swipe it back and forth and it will display the correct way in the mirror, similar to how like an ambulance is, right? When you see it at face value, it's backwards, but when you're looking at it in a mirror, it's the correct way. I believe that's what this is as well. Letter width, that's going to be, there's narrow, normal, and wide. So the narrow is going to be the smaller spacing. The normal is just going to be the regular sized letters, and then wide is stretching it out just a little bit. And then word by word, you have slow, medium, fast. Okay, those I believe are going to be if you have multiple words and you swipe them and they're displaying differently. So like and subscribe, you know, it shows the speed of which they change. Okay, flashlight, pretty self-explanatory, really cool. I've used that quite a bit. About, we have Lab401 Light Messenger, brought to you by Lab401. So just some branding here and some advertising. Cyberpunk company. All right, this is who they worked with to make this board. And then splash screen. Splash screen is what we were presented with when we opened up the app. Okay, so that is it. That is the board itself and also the application. It's a beautiful board. I definitely recommend if you're looking to get something for the Flipper Zero that's outside of the networking realm and the Marauder and things like that, and you just want something different and fun, the Light Messenger is definitely something to pick up and have. I would definitely recommend it, and I'm still working on the review video for it because it does take practice and it takes getting used to work with this. So but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you liked the video, please leave a like. Subscribe if you haven't. It really helps me out a lot. I'm close to the 300 mark right now. And leave a comment below if you guys have any questions or any concerns about this before you guys pick one of these up. But yeah, and I'll try to answer those as best as I can. But as always, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.